Back home from the birds on the pond, Demon Master presented himself. Demon Master. Master Demon. That's his name. He's so cute. He only does that. Ugh. That twirl thing when he's around me. He's so cute. Your nails need to be cut. He's alright. He's fine. I'll put that spray on you. Okay. Alright. So yes, I'm just gonna do something simple. Baked chicken. Baked is healthier. It is extraordinarily hot outside. It's super hot. Which is good. There's a wasp. I keep trying to get in here. Maybe they smell my basil I planted by seed, including my thyme. It needs more time to grow. Oh, that is funny to me. I do like it. I'm going to see if the, perhaps, let's see if how this is going. Ooh, not me knocking it over. Well, this will take some time, but I have to change out the water every so often. Demon Master is over there, minding his business. Oh, this one is growing roots again. The leek. This is a leek. Growing roots. Did it have that much? I don't know. Put this in here. Like so. Drink out the water with this. Well, this is going to take a minute to grow. I don't see any roots growing yet, but I will leave this here with the rest of my plants. Yeah, defrosting, baked. Baked is healthier.